And hey guys, and welcome. Today I'm over here at the All-Star Music Resort, and we're actually at the Notable Games Arcade located over there. So today we've got a requested video. Somebody asked us to get over here and try to shoot this when we had time, so we're over here. We're getting that all knocked out for you. We're actually going to get the entire resort knocked out also. We're going to try to start getting all these resorts caught back up for this year. But right now we're in the arcade, so let's walk around, show you what this one has. So when you guys walk into this one, and mostly the ones at the All-Stars, the rooms are actually really good size. So you can see they've got a lot of mix and match of games, so it's not just one type of game, which is nice. See, you got your motorcycles and stuff like that. You've got your pinballs on the end here. You've got all kinds of things like the basketball hoops there. You've got your little throwing game right there where you can throw and try to hit the ghost, knock them over. You got the Pac-Man. You got the upright arcade games. So it's not just one type, it's all mix and match. Disney does a pretty good job of doing that. You've got your air hockey there. Then you've got your, looks like your Space Invaders game there. So they've got a pretty good mix and match, and the size is pretty impressive for this like budget of a resort. So you're going to notice that almost all the resorts do have arcades on property, but not all of them do, like the Beach Club Villas, but the All-Stars all have their own arcades located here. They're next to the food court, so it's conveniently located. But once again, this is the All-Star Music Resort's Notable Games Arcade, guys. We're going to see you on the next one.